Welcome to our futuristic pomegranate factory. Today, I'll show you exactly how premium pomegranate juice is made, from fresh fruit to
Our advanced automated systems precisely slice each pomegranate, ensuring maximum yield. The robotic arms then
Every batch is purified and protected for premium quality. Every bottle is tested before being shipped worldwide.
And that's how premium pomegranate juice is made. Yimcade, from fresh fruit to refreshing perfection.